Thinking of starting a professional drone racing league in Singapore? With the rise of esports, FPV drone technology, and competitive racing, drone sports are gaining traction as the next generation entertainment industry. First, define your league structure. Will you organize competitive racing events, seasonal leagues, training academies, or commercial showcases? Your format will determine venue needs, sponsorship models, and regulatory requirements. Next, register your business with ACRA. Most sports and esports organizers choose a private limited company to manage liability, attract sponsors, and scale regionally. Regulatory compliance is critical. Drone racing activities must comply with Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore, or CAAS, regulations. This may include operator permits, activity permits, pilot certification, and strict safety measures, especially for indoor or spectator-based events. Venue planning is equally important. Secure suitable indoor arenas or controlled outdoor spaces. Implement safety barriers, insurance coverage, and event risk management plans. You'll also need to manage intellectual property, broadcasting rights, sponsorship agreements, and ticketing revenue while complying with PDPA and event regulations. Finally, ensure proper accounting, tax compliance, and financial reporting. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support sports and esports businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, and ongoing accounting and tax services. Visit our website to start your professional drone racing league in Singapore with confidence.